Welcome to JD's Water World, the #1 Kawasaki jet ski channel on YouTube.
Today on JD's Water World, we'll be taking a look at the brand new 16-piece titanium deck hardware kit from Kawi Performance. I'll give you a first-hand look at the kit, show you why you need this on your jet ski, and give you a complete installation tutorial. Also, stay tuned for a special discount code. Check these out. These are the titanium deck upgrade bolts from Kawi Performance. I've got them on my deflector rail here. These are high-grade marine titanium. They will likely never rust. Just beautiful. The factory ones rust. They're carbon steel. So if your factory bolts look rusted and beat like these ones, it's time for an easy upgrade. So to start with, let's get these nasty rusty bolts out. And these actually, there is a blind nut threaded ferrule in the deck here. So again, here is a look at those nasty, nasty carbon steel bolts. And again, I've had people comment. I did a little short video on these Kawi Performance bolts when they first came out, and someone said, oh, my Ultra comes with stainless steel. And I'm like, unless I don't know something. So we did confirm that, and you could just take a magnet to yours on your ski and you'll see that they're not stainless steel, they're just silver. All right, and mine, as I mentioned, I painted them black because they were rusting so bad. I thought the Rust-Oleum would help, but it didn't. These are matched exactly. You can see these are the OEM, and then here's the Kawi Performance titanium ones. They fit perfectly. Same size Allen to make it easy for you to install. These are the easy ones, these outer ones. Yeah, like there you go. Those are great. These are easy, the ones I'm doing right now. These ones you could just do right off the bat. The other two up here, these are going to be a little more of a challenge because we have to take the Goldwing door off. So some of you, it is a bit frustrating that we have to do that, but it takes about 15-20 minutes. Check those out. These bolts look really, really nice. All right, so to get to this one here, we have to unbolt the Goldwing door. All right, so to remove this Goldwing door, you just gotta pop these 4 Allens right here. All right, so you can see I've removed those. God, and I've got corrosion everywhere here. You can see I've removed those 4 Allens. You don't have to remove the cylinder here because you just need to get to this bolt right here. And you can see I have a saltwater machine, so you can expect some light corrosion. We're going to clean that up really well. And with the new Kawi Performance bolts, you don't need the washer. Just take a look again how nice these are. These are just extremely well made. You can see how crisp that hex is there. And these are just going to last for the life of my machine. Actually, they'll probably exceed the life of the machine. All right, so here is a final look at those new deflector bolts. All right, so now your Goldwing door, you obviously want to clean this up and get these back in place now. So our next step is going to be to replace the side panel bolts right here. You can see I've got this one done already. These are challenging. So if you do this when your ski is brand new, right, then these should come right out. But unfortunately mine, it's just spinning like this, right? Because there's a flat plate on the back, a blind nut on the back. And it's supposed to be like glued or silicone in place, but it's not, it's stuck. So I have no choice now but to drill this out. It's spinning. I tried to get in, stick my hand in from inside the hull there, and there's nothing I could do. There's nothing to grab onto. Unfortunately, this just has to be drilled at this point. For this part of the install, you're going to need just 2 bolts, one for either side. There's going to be a washer on the outside, a washer on the inside, and 1 nylon lock nut. These are 3/16 stainless steel. So this does need a washer. See, it fills up the whole hole there. Now, if you have a helper, it'll make this step really easy, but I wanted to see if I could do it myself. So I'll show you how you go around to the opposite side of the ski, and then you're gonna stick your hands through the compartment to get to the back side of this bolt and install the nut with a deep well socket. All right. And you're done. Now sit back, relax, and know that these bolts will never rust again. Make sure to check out the complete kit on cowyperformance.com. Keep in mind, Cowy Performance is a small business based here in the United States, and they cater exclusively to Kawasaki jet ski owners. These bolts have been meticulously crafted, and I can personally tell you they are the finest quality titanium grade 5 bolts that you will be able to get for your Kawasaki Ultra jet ski. Use code JDWWRD to save 5%. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.